Alright, we are about to surprise Noelle with a little prank surprise gift here. Surprising Noelle is one of my favorite pastimes. Surprise! Like that time I almost gave her a heart attack by having all of her family sneak into our basement on her birthday. We are getting rid of these old island chairs that we've had for nearly over a decade, and she's had her eye on these chairs from Article. They're a little more mid-century. They definitely match our kitchen and our living room vibe here more.
Yeah, so these are the chairs. They're like black leather on the top and then like wood on the bottom. So
what happened was they were really expensive, cost a bunch, but we found them. She found them on Facebook Marketplace a few weeks ago. She contacted the seller. The seller kind of ghosted her, so I reached out and ended up he contacted me first. I'm trying to surprise Noelle by picking up some Facebook Marketplace chairs that we've been eyeing this specific brand new chair for about 2 years. She doesn't know that he still has them. I told him to put them as sold on Facebook so it looks like he sold them. I met up with him, bought the chairs, have been storing them in our basement, and now we're gonna see the reaction when Noelle sees the chairs for the first time. So let's see what happens.
Hi, what's happening?
okay.
It's for fun.
Are you videoing me?
What?
Why are you videoing me?
I'm videoing you.
You are videoing me.
I'm not.
Why are you all videoing
I'm
me?
not videoing you.
Take a look around.
It's amazing.
Take a look around.
You said that you were always stressed recently, and so we thought that maybe it would like help to like relieve your stress.
Not over there, Mom.
Well, turn around.
What?
What?
Oh!
What?
Oh my goodness! Wow! It's like a match set. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness! What?
Huh, I wonder where they came
Oh,
from.
sorry.
Oh, they're so loud.
Where did they come from?
I have a friend.
No. Did you get Christos?
I have a friend named Christos.
Oh, are you kidding me? You got the Christos tools?
I got the Christos too.
Oh, what?
Surprise!
Who's Christo?
I was trying to buy them from this guy on Facebook and he would never respond to me.
Well, he responded to me, and I
What?
told him not to text you back. So I went and got them from Philadelphia
When?
last week. You didn't
Aw.
know, and then I met up with him. He got me the chairs, and
What?
not only are they great, but they were cheaper than brand
Wow. Oh my
new.
goodness.
Surprise!
It's so random right now.
Yeah.
The timing. It's just, where were they?
They were downstairs
Where?
in the basement,
In the back.
in the back. Yeah,
Oh my
covered by dressers. Do you like them?
What if I had gone through and like
I knew you
started-
were gonna go through the basement.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it looked like they match our kitchen perfectly.
Yeah. So these are the chairs you always wanted.
They are.
And we got them.
Wow. I can't believe it.
You are the remedy that heals my